It's the CR&B show right here in Toronto, ladies and gentlemen. The Flair competition is ready to roll.
I'm sure you're all familiar with a movie called Cocktail featuring Tom Cruise, 1988, Touchstone Pictures. I've seen the movie 100 times. I have the movie. I have it on Blu-ray, downloaded. It's a sad, sad story, but it's true. It's a great movie. It's pretty much what it is. It's just making cocktails with a little extra style, throwing bottles around, engaging your guests. If anyone out there is a bartender or you own a bar, and you're looking to increase your sales, you want to offer your guests an experience, have them come back. Adding a little bit of bar flair behind the bar will definitely work. It makes your bartenders look a little bit more professional, a little bit more well-rounded, and it'll open them up to more opportunities. This is something, especially in a world right now where we're all social media, everything is being filmed and put on stories, locations, and hashtags. If you own a bar, you own a restaurant, you want your bartender to be a pro, you want them to look like a rock star, you want them to be tagged, and you want your restaurant to be tagged. And a lot of this Flair bartending isn't actually difficult. It's just simple techniques that you can use. Everyone thinks it's difficult. Let's rephrase that. The stuff that you're gonna see here is extremely difficult, but the stuff that you do behind the bar, you can all learn in minutes. Every one of you out there can Flair, you just don't know you can Flair.
8 of the world's finest Flair bartenders have joined us right here in Toronto. Ladies and gentlemen, please come on down, cheer these guys on. We're gonna bring them out. Ladies and gentlemen, 2019 CR&B show, the mixology and Flair stage. These are your Flair bartenders for the 2019 edition of the CR&B show. Flair bartending started right here in Toronto, right in this building, a long time ago, back in the 1990s when we started doing Flair bartending competitions here in Toronto. We invented the Flair bottle. The Flair bottle was invented right here in Toronto. Yes, it was. Flair bottle, taking Flair around the world. Now we've got Flair bartending competitions going all around the world, and all the bartenders here today are standing on the shoulders of the greats that have invented the game of Flair all the way along. Oh! Nice. Come on, CR&B, that's pretty fun. That's the clever stuff, man. Oh, oh, oh! Picking it up as the bottles are in the air. Oh! Oh! Snapping it. Woo! I'm exhausted and I'm only watching. He's done, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for Dennis. And let's put our hands together for Zack Prohaska right here. Come on in here, Zack. Come on, we're gonna put our hands together for Zack. Cheer him on, Zack Prohaska! Yay! All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going in for $2,000. Second place, $2,000. All the way from... I thought I'd speak real slow so that they would have to sweat just a little longer. All the way from Belgium, put your hands together for Christoph. $2,000, and of course, $3,000 all the way from Latvia. Thank you very much. Put your hands together for Dennis Trista. Ladies and gentlemen, our 2019 Canadian Restaurant and Bar Show Flair winners. Put your hands together for all of our bartenders today. Follow Zack Prohaska on Instagram and YouTube. I'm the Mad Mixologist on both of those. Find me as well. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you, Chuck and Nick. Fabulous show. Looking forward to seeing you guys again next year. We're out!